I'm headed to a location in the sizzling hot West Loop that's across the street from Ariano's Grocery and Mary Barthelme Park, and 2 short blocks from Randolph Street's Restaurant Row, for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished, short-term apartments at the full amenity Porte. Porte has on-site management, maintenance, and 24/7 door staff. The well-equipped fitness center has cardio and strength training equipment and a separate yoga studio. Porte's sunset deck has skyline views and an adjacent 17th floor lounge. The 3rd floor lounge has a gaming area, a media area with a large screen TV, and a kitchen dining area. The lounge is open to a rambling outdoor deck with a pool and grilling areas. A ground level bike room has a workstation and direct outdoor access. Porte is pet friendly, and there's a popular dog park across the street. I'm in apartment 1306, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in the South Tower, looking west over the pool deck and Mary Barthelme Park. Turning into an open plan living, dining, kitchen area. Comfortable furniture, looking toward a large screen TV. High ceilings, plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Floor-to-ceiling windows with roller shades. A sleek one-wall kitchen. Stainless steel appliances include a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Great cabinet and counter space. And since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, set up with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dishes, cutlery, glasses, everything you're going to need to feel right at home. Just bring your suitcase. There's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. Very appealing, very bright space here. Turning into the primary/master bedroom. We've got a king-size bed and nightstand, chest of drawers with another TV, closet with custom organizers, and turning into the primary/master bath. There's a nice sized shower with rain shower head, wide vanity with quartz counters and an undermount sink, Kohler soft close toilet, and contrasting tile on the floor and in the shower surround. Very sleek look. Turning back, looking at the entryway, behind the louvered door, a full-size front-loading washer-dryer, and directly opposite that, second bath. Looking at supply of toiletries. Turning toward bedroom 2. There's a console table to sit your keys on. Closet with your ironing board. And bedroom 2. Closet finishes similar to what you saw in the primary. Sweet Home offers a variety of apartments at Porte in a very convenient, close to the loop, close to everything location. Porte has a fabulous suite of amenities, and Sweet Home offerings here are a sweet deal. Head to Sweet Home's website to see more information and Sweet Home offerings in other locations.